Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here back today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and what I have to share with you is the latest withdrawal update from Solmax. Solmax latest withdrawal update, and I'll be talking about the Igniter 200 Whyi and Igniter 100. Okay, it's been a while I talked about Solmax because there has been several updates upon update in Solmax, which makes most of the investors to lose their hope in this business. But here today, I bring you the latest withdrawal updates, and I will like to say that our assurance, our hope is revived in Solmax. So you just need to watch this video to the very end to have the full information that I have to share with you guys. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Alright, is a medium whereby I share with you my ideas on online investment platforms. So I review them and I let you know, I give you my sincere review and sincere recommendation on online investment platform. So if you are at the edge of joining any online investment platform, just forward it to me. Do yourself the favor of forwarding the link to me for a review, and I promise you my sincere review and recommendation, so it will serve as a basis for your own financial decision. Because here in LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, I give you financial education and not advice. For that reason, you are to be responsible for your action. Though these are ways whereby I personally make money online, and I think it's worth sharing. So you are also expected to do your own due diligence, and you should consider your risk factor to know if it's what you can do or not. All right, so if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe now. Click on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell and set it to all notifications so that you'll be continually aware of the next update, for you not to miss out on my training videos like this. All right, and if you found values in any of the content here, you can give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and let me hear your view in the comment box of this video, and check the description box as well for more information on each of the content that is posted here. All right, so let's go to the business of the day. I will be talking on the latest withdrawal update from Solmax. All right, so of recent, we received the announcement. There has been an announcement that we can now withdraw from Solmax. So it has been a while whereby we have been anticipating for the updates, for the opportunity to withdraw our funds in Solmax Igniter 200. I believe so many of us, we have invested in Solmax since the year 2020, and we have been given several updates upon updates since then. From Igniter 100 to Igniter 200, from Igniter 200 to Whyi investments. So, and it has made many investors to lose their interest in this. They just see Solmax as a scam. They just take up and they just try as much as possible to move further, to take away their hearts from it. But I just want to tell you that there is still hope in Solmax. You don't need to lose your hope totally. There is still hope, because right now we have been given the opportunity to withdraw from our Igniter 200 to our SMG wallet. And for those that have withdrawn since last year, the announcement says that all their funds will be returned back to their account so that they can reinitiate the withdrawal process, so that they can reinitiate it. So I withdrew 2 days ago, and let me show you the withdrawal message in my email. So I have $123 in my account, so and I tried to withdraw it, just 80. I withdrew it. So this is a message: we have received your withdrawal request and will keep you updated on the progress of your request. If you requested the withdrawal between Monday and Sunday, it will be processed by the following Tuesday, 16 time GMT. So I withdrew 80 and I'm expecting it to land as soon as possible. So now this is where the issue is. The price of SMG token in the market now, it is very low, very low. So for you to withdraw your money, let's assume you have $100 here and you withdraw everything. Don't expect that you'll be able to convert it to USD to 100 USDT in the market, because the price on the platform, on Solmax platform, it does not correspond with the price on the market. Because when you are withdrawing now, it will be withdrawn based on the price on the platform is 0.1 SMG, 0.01 SMG USDT. So that is the price, like that is like 1 cent, like 1 cent. So when you are withdrawing to external wallet, to your SMG token wallet, and maybe you want to eventually sell, like maybe BIZZTAK or any of the associated exchange site that SMG token has been listed on, so the value will be very less, like 10% of the actual value is what you are going to get. So it does not make any sense. So it makes no sense for you to withdraw and sell immediately. So just withdraw and keep it in your SMG wallet. Keep it in your SMG wallet. So let me try to withdraw another thing, another 42. Okay, the remaining $42 here. Because the reason why the withdrawal option has been available is that SMG Solmax, they consider the cost of running the 3 websites, Igniter 100, Igniter 200, and the Whyi investments, and they decided that it has cost them so much. So I think they are trying to focus on Whyi investment. They want to close down Igniter 200. So pending the time that Igniter 100 will surface, or pending the time that it will get listed on the stock market as promised. So we are still waiting in anticipation. So you just need to find some other thing doing. And also the loyalty account, we don't know how that one will go. So just ensure that you input your SMG wallet address, you put it in, you have already saved that, so that if anything wants to happen, so they can send our loyalty token to us in form of SMG wallet. So let me try to initiate another withdrawal to show you that you can now withdraw in Igniter 200. So you click on transaction, then loyalty account. Okay, I think it's balance. Sorry, it is account. No. Loyalty balance. Let me change my phone so I can be able to see the full screen. Alright, so now you click on request withdrawal request. Oh, sorry, withdrawals are not available on weekends. Today is Saturday, 21st of May. So withdrawal is not allowed on weekends. Sorry for this. So I think I will need to start that on Sunday or on Monday. So I would like you to see this. So the price is 0.01 on the site, but when it gets to the external exchange site, the price is very low compared to this. So you can't get your value, you can't get the real value for whatever you want to withdraw here. So just withdraw to your SMG wallet and keep it. So nobody knows how much SMG can cost in the nearest future. So let's assume it is sold for $10. You just imagine what you have right now. So just keep it. It's not what you can sell immediately. So that is my advice for you. And for Igniter 100, we are still expecting for the updates, because they keep telling us that the Philippines country, they are the one responsible for the issue of listing on the stock market. So let's just keep on waiting for them to conclude everything that they want to do, because I think they are trying to move everything to Whyi investment, so that the cost of maintenance will be reduced. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.